Just under 20. It's still very early in his career and can probably improve on that.
But he's not got the chance to be able to stay there for long. Akram with his Yorker again gets his second wicket. And Hart is gone. It's 171 now. And 7 wickets are down. And Matthew Hart leaves. Well, that's again an illustration of the Yorker from Wasim Akram. Matthew Hart with Akram around the wicket. And the ball just keeps on coming at him. It was almost as if it was a missile directed at the foot of the middle stump. And it was guided. And it just came unerringly straight on.
Right in the spot. Right in there at Midland leg. In fact, it knocks over middle stump. And so Matthew Hart on his way, and now New Zealand 171 for 7.
Lancaster Park scoreboard. That's not a bad in-swinger. It would have missed the leg stump. I think it's a bit of a toe crusher.
The big in-swinging Yorker that just hits the top of the foot. Thank you very much.
That ball swing, that's quite surprising. Our stump vision should pick that up nicely.
And he's averaging...
Beautifully bowled there by Wasim, and he's got Darren Lehman with the Yorker. Beautifully bowled.
We saw a bit of swing on the delivery previous to that one. This one was right up. Swinging Yorker. Very difficult to negotiate these swinging Yorkers. Started well outside off stump.
Victim. Big shot, got a bit coarse, got him. Yes, that looked coarse. He's a beautiful bowler. He certainly is. It's no disgrace to be LBW to Wasim Akram. He is a superb cricketer.
Bowled him. Well, he's getting a little frustrated there, and Wasim Akram consistently aiming at that leg stump, certainly angling the ball in, and that one hit the base of the stumps.
Wasim Akram is about the best bowler to tail-enders in world cricket, and whilst he hasn't been bowling particularly well so far in this series, he hasn't lost the ability to bowl the in-swinging Yorker to the tail-ender, and there it is into the base of the stumps. McMillan is on his way for 33, and South Africa now 6 for 198.
Beautifully bowled there by Wasim, and he's got Darren Lehman with the Yorker.
Very difficult to negotiate these swinging Yorkers. Started well outside off stump. It was on his foot before that bat could get down.
David Richardson. This is this magnificent delivery from Akram. Swinging in, hitting the base of the stumps. If you're going away backwards.
Magnificent happens right at the end. Richardson doesn't look like the striker who's going to do it, so it's going to be more like about 215 is the best they can hope for.
Oh, he's bowled him. Well, that swung the other way. But I don't think there was ever any occasion that Dave Richardson looked as if he was going to be a real threat to Pakistan. Certainly not while the ball was swinging around from round the wicket there. So a good bowl, this one, good delivery.
He didn't have a clue which way they were going, and he was certainly no danger while he had the bat in his hand. South Africa 7 for 207.
Bowled him. Well, oh, he's bowled him. Well, that swung the other way. But I don't think there was ever... Oh, and that's got to be close as well. Then the guys bowled him. Again, Akram is on fire.
It's pitched outside leg, so he's not going to be out of LBW, but he's certainly back, roll back off his pad and onto the stumps.
Bowling that bad, just that one over, which wasn't far off the mark. Gilchrist was ready to hit anything.
Well, that's beautiful bowling. It's gone right through Michael Bevan. I think that's the only way that Pakistan are going to restrict Australia at all, is to
get a few wickets.
Beautiful bowling, in-swinging Yorker, takes leg stump. He's gone for 3. Australia 4 for 224.
He's bowled him. That's the perfect ball, the Yorker. And so Bin Saka, after very finely played 50, is bowled by Wasim Akram. And India are 216. Very difficult time to go into bat. For 2 in the 44th over.
Yes, a fine delivery from Wasim Akram. There he is, trying to put the ball in the block hole. Help his step, yorked him.